How is the descent, Harry?
Yeah, probably the funnest descent I've done. Yeah, on a fully loaded bike, it's pretty fun. I think it's the fastest I've went. Here we go. cut that out. Sebastian. San Sebastian. Got a nice switchback coming up. Still need to practice my descending, not perfected it. What the fuck? Fucking close.
What's that?
I shouldn't take this risk.
Nah, it's fun.
There is something inside. Oh, I see this guy.
Something goes crazy. Yeah, you're like, fuck him, he's on a gravel bike. Nah. It's always fun, you know. That was good.
When you see somebody likewise.
No, that was good.
Do you do this? Do you do this often?
This climb?
First day here in 2 years.
Oh, awesome, man.
Nice.
This is our first time too. Our first time ever.
Second time actually.
Nice.
Once in the winter and I'm very impressed how it's in the summer. You got it in a very good way.
Yeah, everyone
Yeah.
said that we hit the perfect time.
Where you came from? You're Australian, eh?
Scotland.
Scotland.
Yeah, but we're on a tour from Amsterdam to Lisbon.
Can
Yeah.
you believe I'm Irish? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Enjoy the rest of your
I
trip.
was a bit shy sparking a conversation.
Nah, it's nice to talk.
Yeah.
All right.
Cheers.
See you, bro.
How is the descent, Harry?
Yeah, probably the funnest descent I've done. And yeah, on a fully loaded bike, it's pretty fun. I think it's the fastest I've went. With all the tail fin.
Tell us about it real quick.
Yeah, it's obviously, we don't show the drive side because it's too cool to not. This is the newest Genesis Quadrifair Titanium carbon fork. I'm running a mullet setup on it, 1x12, some carbon force cranks, carbon fulcrum wind 40, wheel set, silent hub, Chris King bling galore, matching mango, and then the matte black bottom bracket.
Yeah, let's
Talking about the load.
Let's talk about the bags, dude.
Yeah,
Dude.
so yeah.
What you just descended on, what'd you have on your
Fully
bag?
loaded, I've got the tailfin small drop bar handlebar bag. It was so solid, did not move an inch on that descent, super nice. And yeah, just got my wind vest strapped to the front there.
Who makes that wind vest?
Wind vest by Map.
Oh, okay.
Super nice for, obviously not today, but if it was later in the evening, putting that on for the descent would be really nice.
And then you had your phone on here, what's that?
Yeah, so got these Redshift clip-on TT bars with the bend at the top.
How's your phone?
Really nice.
Sitting there like that.
That's just on a quad lock. I've just got some tape under there, emergency tape.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Hold on
So,
just a sec.
super nice thing about the tail fin, it's got this accessory mount here, so my Garmin is actually attached to the mount that the tail fin mounts onto as well, so it sits super snug in there. Wee speaker to link to the chat tunes. SRAM rival levers that link to my GX axis derailleur. Got this little 7R, 7 roads top tube bolt-on magnetic waterproof. That's from Ukraine. Kyle hooked us up with an outer shell stem bag. I keep my hip flask and a point and shoot in there, and then little bits and bobs and tools. This is an Ortlieb 4 litre waterproof top tube frame bag. Bottles everywhere. I'm carrying about just over 2 litres at any time, which is super nice, and the insulated one when it gets super hot. The main event at the back, this is the aluminium.
Party in the back.
Yeah, tail fin. The good thing about the aluminium, comes with the bolt-ons as well. These just hook on super tight and do not move when you can get them on. And then the brand new cargo aero packet top, mesh pockets, strap at the top to hold the sandals down, accessories at the back that swoops down, so I've got my kryptonite rear light there and my little blue lug reflector. This is super sick. Same on the other side, so the 5 litre pannier bags on either side. And yeah, and there's my tent, my sleeping mat, my pillow, my towel, my wash bag, charging stuff, plate, and the side, sun cream, snacks, belly straps, yeah, stuff anything, sausage, just stuff it in and go.
Nice. And
Saddle. This is the Ergon SRL Road comp saddle, titanium rails, Nito from Japan, seat posts. Talk about this incredible stem, Redshift suspension. Takes away all the bumps. 10 to 52, huge pizza dish at the back, 38 tooth on the front by Garbaruk. That's kind of a rough going over the bike. Maybe there'll be a more detailed one soon, but yeah, super fun descent. I think the fastest I've went on an all packed bike, and perfect weather for it. So now to San Sebastian, full of food, wine, whatever else, and relax for a couple of days before we hit the Basque Country properly.